If you want to use camera presets on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we need to open the camera. Now, for example, in the photo mode, here at the bottom we have the current preset. You can actually tap on it in order to take a look at all of the presets that you have available on your phone. So as you can see, we can scroll through the list of many different filters that we can easily use on our phone. You can of course create your own filter as well. So if you press this plus here in the upper left corner, you can create your own preset, or you can import a preset if you got a QR code of a custom preset. You can just completely remove the preset altogether by just choosing the original one. In order to select the preset, you just have to tap on it, and that's all you have to do. And there we go. Of course, video mode also contains, or you can use a preset for video mode. In fact, all of these presets are like meshed together, so it doesn't matter if you created a preset for video or photo, all of them can be found in here. And in the bottom left corner of that preset, we can find which mode it uses. So for example, this preset is for video mode, whereas this one is for photo mode. So that's about it. Leave a like and subscribe.